In this video, we are going to show you how to set up audio alarm on Hikvision and compatible systems. Log in and go to Configuration. Under the Event section, you will see audio alarm output to the right. Click on Edit for the corresponding camera. Here you can choose from a list of built-in alarm sound clips. You can also click the speaker icon to test the sound sample. Here you can specify how many times the sound clip is played when an event is triggered, and the volume at which it's played. At the bottom, you can set up the schedule for the audio alarm in case you don't want the alarm to sound at certain times of the day. Remember to hit Apply to save your settings. Lastly, we want to link the audio alarm to an event type. For example, to a motion detection event. Make sure you have the correct channel selected, then go into Linkage Action. To the right, you can choose which camera to sound the alarm when motion detection is triggered. Note that it is possible to pick more than one camera. Apply to save your choices. Notice how the camera is represented by its IP address. To find out which IP is which camera, check the Camera Management menu. Here you can see each channel with its corresponding IP address. That's about it. Check out our YouTube channel for other useful tutorials, and thanks for watching.